Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to service your Mini Cooper. First, gather your tools, including a wrench set, jack, and oil pan. Always consult your owner's manual for specific service intervals and fluid types. Begin by safely lifting your vehicle and securing it with jack stands. This foundational preparation ensures a safe and efficient service experience for your Mini. Now, let's dive into some key maintenance checks. Regularly changing your engine oil and filter is vital for engine health. Next, examine your brake pads and rotors for any signs of excessive wear or damage. Don't forget to inspect your air filter. A clean filter improves fuel efficiency and engine power. These simple checks can prevent larger issues down the road. Moving on to common service tasks, replacing spark plugs ensures your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. It's also important to flush and replace your brake fluid periodically to maintain optimal stopping power. Finally, take a moment to inspect your drive belts for any signs of wear or damage. Addressing these items proactively keeps your Mini Cooper in top condition. For more advanced care, consider a professional diagnostic scan if you have any persistent warning lights on your dashboard. This can help identify underlying issues quickly. Remember to lubricate door hinges and latches annually to keep them operating smoothly. Also, for those looking to enhance their home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Taking these extra steps ensures your Mini Cooper remains a joy to drive for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.